What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we will be building the new Tales of Space Age. I've been really excited for this one. It's only 688 pieces, so it's not a super big build, but it should look really cool. So let's go ahead and get it built. Alright, so here we have the finished build. Very cool. I mean, there's not too much to say about it besides how cool it looks. Got a little rocket ship coming out here. Another cool thing about it, I don't know if you can see that on the back, each one of them does have a hanging spot right here. Each one of them has a little spot where you put a nail. So you could hang this up on the wall all in one piece, or you can take it apart and do 4 separate pictures. But overall, really fun build, really good price on it. So my opinion, value for the set is one of the better ones. Recently I know LEGO's been under a little bit of scrutiny for them, overcharging for sets that aren't really worth it. This one I think is worth it. It's not too much, it's only 50 bucks, and make some nice wall art. I'm going to go ahead and hang them up on my walls. So if you guys like that, make sure you like and subscribe. I post every other day. We're going to switch to a every other day format here. So be on the lookout for more videos, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.